Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Hyundai I20 Active, stock reference number 5041. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left front door has 1 small dent. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. And a right front 14-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.